This is Leah. 2 minutes and she's out. But you've been trying for 2 hours. I'm sure you've tried every trick in the book. Like trying to stop thinking. Stop. Crap, I thought. Or trying to relax. Oh! It's not that these techniques are useless. In fact, they're actually pretty good. Unfortunately, you probably had more important things to learn at school. This here is Hishram. Relaxing fast is his thing. Just look. He focuses on his breathing, and he progressively slows it down. And by slowing his breathing all the way down to about 6 breaths a minute, he stimulates the baroflex, a physiological mechanism that allows him to become completely calm in just a few minutes. And when it comes to not thinking, he's pretty good at that too. He can concentrate on his breathing for a really long time and remain undistracted by buzzing thoughts. But you are not Hishram. Even in bed, you struggle to focus on your breath for more than 20 seconds at a time. Actually, your attention span is probably more like Bob's than Hishram's. That's why we've designed Dodow. It helps you fall asleep by making you almost as chill as Hishram. I'll have one of those. You synchronize your breathing with the light projected on the ceiling. By focusing on something outside your own head, you'll pay less attention to the thoughts that are keeping you awake. At the same time, just like a metronome, Dodow helps slow down your breathing from 11 to 6 breaths a minute, which helps relieve your anxiety. And so, in less than 8 minutes, you'll find yourself ready to doze off. Dodow won't turn you into a Buddhist monk, but it will help you fall asleep faster. And that's probably all you need.
Introducing the LectroFan Micro, a sound machine with a twist. Enjoy better sleep and portable audio. Use it around the house or take it with you on the road. LectroFan Micro offers 10 unique non-looping digital sounds for great sleep and Bluetooth audio playback. Using pure white noise, LectroFan Micro raises the disturbance threshold, masking intrusive sounds. For sleep, relaxation, study, and speech privacy, LectroFan Micro, a sound machine with a twist. Shh.
Mother shusher. Go, 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 go.
Oh, yes!
Shh. Sorry. Mother shusher.
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The ultrasonic cool mist humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.